X-avier is a tool for generating test inputs based on WSDL specifications, which assists developers in enhancing their systems and ensuring enhanced security. X-avier is available in two versions, a pure command line version and one with graphical interface. This video will introduce both versions. X-avier command line tool requires multiple options or flags. With W or WSDL, the user specifies the location where the WSDL file can be found. Using A or attack, the user specifies the desired type of attack. If the desired attack is an injection type, then P or payload is required to define the wanted injection type. If the user has an extended or modified X-avier, then only SQL is available in this version. X-avier also has a number of non-mandatory options. With T or timeout, the user can specify for how many seconds X-avier may generate inputs. If more than one sample is to be generated per message defined in the WSDL as the starting point for the mutations, this can be specified via samples. Let us consider a brief example. Let's assume we want to check our demo WSDL0 for normal SQL vulnerabilities. Accordingly, we must specify with W that we want test inputs for this WSDL. Since we want to check for simple SQL injections, we have to specify with that we want a direct injection. For each type of injection attack, the type of payload must be specified with P. In our case, this is SQL. Since we know how fast X-avier is, we only want inputs to be generated for 5 seconds. Last but not least, we would like X-avier to create not 1 but 3 sample messages for each operation of the web service. Using this command, X-avier will then generate the desired test inputs and store them in a folder called results. This folder contains one file each with the originally created examples and the generated test inputs. Now we come to X-avier's graphical user interface. In developing the graphical interface for X-avier, our objective was to create a design that was as minimalist as possible. The user is given the option of transferring the WSDL file via a straightforward drag-and-drop system. Furthermore, the user has the option of entering the file path or URL where the file can be found by inputting the command line provided below. Alternatively, the user can click on the Browse option to open the interaction menu and select the desired file. Upon selecting the Load option, X-avier initiates the analysis of the WSDL, identifying and evaluating all potential scenarios. A distinct button is generated for each potential scenario, thereby enabling the user to select the desired one. Once a scenario has been selected, X-avier initiates the generation of test inputs. The configuration presented here allows for an interval of 10 seconds. Subsequently, X-avier presents the aforementioned data in a readily comprehensible format and makes it accessible within a file in the download folder. Thanks for watching.